Excuse me, can you just hold on, please? Yeah, we all are busy in the journey of our life. Yeah, let me ask one question. Yeah, for a few seconds, then you can continue your journey. The question is, have you ever asked yourself, what is the real purpose in my life? Have you got a chance? What actually I need in my life? So when you start asking this question, that means you start knowing yourself. But normally, what happens? We all are moving because the world is moving. We are just following someone because he is moving and we are also moving. And the sorrow or the problems in the world with so many people is that they have never asked this question to themselves, what actually I need? What is the real purpose of me in my life? Or I just living 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 years just because the world is moving. I also moved just like that. But now when you start asking yourself, then you start knowing yourself. Your spiritual journey starts. And when the spiritual journey starts, and when you start knowing more about yourself, you are becoming more strengthened. Your inner strength builds up. You start accepting yourself. You start realizing who the real you are. And that self assurance will give you more confidence, will give you more courage to accept whatever the things coming from the external world. And that makes a difference. That lives will be a different one. Yeah. But now how can we start that transformation? The best tool is start doing meditation. Just close your eyes and do your meditation every day. You will start knowing about yourself. And then every moment in your life will be a celebration. Yeah? Yes. Now you can continue your journey. Thank you.